Hello students and welcome to your spelling test for sort 44P. This week you studied contractions. Number 1, don't. Don't put aluminum in the garbage, recycle it. Don't. Number 2, she'll. She'll get right to that once she gets off the phone. She'll. Three, wouldn't. Wouldn't it be nice if it were Friday? Wouldn't. Number 4, that'll. That'll be really fun when the French students come to visit. That'll. Number 5, here's. Here's your spelling list for the week. Here's. Number 6, hasn't. Hasn't 5th grade been fun so far? Hasn't. Number 7, aren't. Aren't you so happy to be a 5th grader? Aren't. Number 8, could've. You could have gone to Concord, but you came to Normandale. Could've. Number 9, couldn't. I couldn't imagine teaching anywhere else. Couldn't. 10, whose. Who's in charge of the lunch cart this week? Whose. You can listen to this screencast as many times as you need until you finish the test. Good luck!